Hello friends, welcome to the Crypto Crazy channel. Today I brought to you a very important video on Cardano. I'll show my technical analysis, price target for short term and long term. So friends, please watch the video until the very end. I'll show you a chart that would make you really surprised. So, so this is the 4 hourly chart pattern of Cardano. So here what we have seen for the Cardano, we have seen a big rally from July 2021 to like September 2021, and then we actually reached to a bear market, and then we have seen a significant drop of Cardano price. And after the significant reaching the selling climax, we have seen. So here we have seen some accumulation uh, period of Cardano. If you compare this chart pattern of Cardano with like wake up method or wake up trade pattern, so you will see it's exactly similar like of wake up pattern you will see in current Cardano price. So I have divided this Cardano price like this chart as a phase A, phase B, phase C, phase D, and phase E. So what is that? Basically phase A. So this basically phase A, what is that? Yeah. So basically this phase A marks the stopping of the prior downtrend. Up to this point, supply has been dominant. The approaching diminution of supply is evidence in preliminary support and selling climax. A successful secondary test in the area of selling climax will show less selling than previously and narrowing a spread and decreased volume, generally stopping at or above the same price level as the selling climax. So in the and the phase B we have seen, so here in phase B basically serves the function of building a cause for a new uptrend. So in phase B, we have seen that the institutions or large professional interests are accumulating relatively low price inventory in anticipation of the next markup. Here we have seen that multiple secondary tests in case of Cardano. So here you can see the multiple test of secondary test of the Cardano phase B, and as well as the upthrust stripe actions in the upper end of the. So this is basically the trend trading region, and then we goes to the phase C, and here phase C you will see. So if you zoom in, so you will see here in phase C a lower price of Cardano, but so this is actually a bear trap where you will see you see that the price of Cardano is lower than the support line previous support, but it's not the significant, and we have seen then the upward movement of the Cardano. So after this marks, we have seen the beginning of a new uptrend. So in phase D is the most important of this work of trend, and in phase D we have seen that the price is moving in upward trends, and it's reached like the and resistance line, and we see some kind of drop here, which is basically accumulation time or accumulation of Cardano price here. And so here basically we will see most probably like this, and we'll enter the phase C, and in phase C we will see significant upward movement of this uh, Cardano price. So like this, and when it will reach like this, and then we will see some kind of drop. So most probably, according to my opinion, it will reach the first price target of Cardano is like 1.78 USD. So once it will reach, then we will see most probably 10 to 20% uh, drop, and then to further upward movement. So here, on the other way, you can consider this is a cuff and handle pattern. So like this, and so if this is the cuff, and so this is most probably would be the handle of this curve. And so if you draw, so from the resistance line to the depth of the curve, so you can measure and you will get the this price level. So what I'm predicting, that initial trend for the Cardano is that 1.78 USD range, and then we will see massive upward movement. And due to that movement, so if you go to the previous bull run, so here like, so if, so this is the July 20th. So here you can see that uh, nearly 200% uh, movement of the Cardano price. So if this time also it's happened, so then the Cardano price will reach, let's measure from here to 200%. Yeah, so it will reach nearly 3.6 USD. So it would be the another all-time high for the Cardano price. And then I believe that this is the start of the bull run for Cardano, and that in 2022 the Cardano price may reach 20 to 25 USD range, because the Cardano basically many new tokens they are using the Cardano platform as a launchpad and the smart contract. So I am expecting that Cardano or price would reach either 20 to 30 USD range in 2022. And another thing is that why I am so bullish on Cardano. So if you go to the MA ribbon, so you can see here, so let's say this is the 4 hourly candle pattern and ribbon structure. So if I change one like long term and make it blue. So you can see that the long ribbon, so you can see the long term ribbon versus the short term ribbon is just going to cross here. So once these ribbon will cross each other, so we will see massive upward movement of the Cardano price. And why I am saying this, because if you see, history will repeat itself. So here in July, you can see that the Cardano price, the long term ribbon is crossing here with the short term, and we see that it's massive upward movement of the Cardano price, and I'm expecting this is going to happen now, and that time is not far away, and that is happening not sooner than later. Okay guys, if you think that this video is informative, so please give thumbs up, write your thoughts in the comment section, and please and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye, see you next video.